So we got this character here, we posed it out. And we want to make sure this character is balanced. I know we're going to just do it in the front view, but we want to make sure that it's balanced. Okay. So that looks pretty balanced to me, yeah. Grab everything and key it. Now, let's key every 4 frames. What we're going to do is going to be a little down that way. So it's going to go down. Okay, let's just check this out. Check it out. Let's go down. Slightly rotate. Key everything there. So it's going down. Of anticipation. Then we're going to lift. So here we'll just have the leg up. Pose it like this. She will get rid of that. Let's get rid of that one. So it's just up. And that back here. So it's up. So what we want to do, we want to work this pose. So let's move this to frame 8. And let's just copy frame 6, middle click that, bring it back to 3. There's a bit of a hold here. And then you just move this forward a bit. So we've got a hold here. I might want to just push this a bit more. Maybe rotate this as well. So there's a bit of a hold. Now, how much do we want to hold it? Let's see. That should be right. So we'll do a little quick one. It comes up, and then this starts to come down. And we're going to put it down somewhere different, yeah, not on the same spot. Now this is starting to come down, but it's also rotating as it's coming down. So we'll get a nice little hold there, yeah. So select everything there, key it. Just a habit I have of selecting everything and keying it, so I know everything's keyed. So I come here, and then I want this leg. We go to Y here, so we know that's going to be on the floor. Then we can go to rotate X, which will flatten it. And then we want to move and rotate this. So it lands there. But we still want it to come here. So it hasn't shifted yet. So let's see. So it lands, step, and then weight shift. Okay? Then weight shift. Then weight shift. Going forward. See that. And then maybe slightly more with the rotation. And this foot starts to come up.